Gold this, gold that. I keep talking about physical gold a lot since last 3 years. And to understand the reason for that, you need to see the bigger picture, and that is the great wealth transfer. What if I told you America does not want to be the world's reserve currency anymore? People say Trump is mad doing this and that. Excuse me? The guy is a bloody billionaire. And trust me, all that he's doing is just theater and a show for the masses. It would have been the same if Kamala Harris came in. Bold claims, right? Hear me out. Most people think reserve currency is a blessing. Print as much as you want and enjoy. No, it's not. It's actually a curse. A Belgian economist named Robert Triffin told the US Congress in 1960, dollar dominance will eventually destroy America. Everyone laughed. Here is what he understood called Triffin dilemma. When your currency is the reserve currency, the world needs your dollars. To supply them, you must import more than you export, year after year. The results? Factories close, jobs disappear, middle class collapse. You print money constantly, justify it with innovation until the system breaks. It's the feature of being the reserve currency. Now let's look at the numbers. US debt $36 trillion, annual interest payment $1 trillion, more than their entire defense budget. Everyone thinks Trump's tariffs are random and Kamala would have been different. Listen to this. Obama started tariffs on China. Trump escalated, Biden kept them. This is not left versus right, this is America versus structural reality. The reserve currency crown is too heavy and America is tired of wearing it. And if America steps back, who is waiting to step forward? This is part 1 of my 4 episode series, The Great Wealth Transfer. Follow me and I'll see you in part 2 tomorrow.